Long, long ago in a village, the village have been a long, long time no rain. Ground are dry, the well dried up, and there is no heaven for a long time. The village life healthy, and the Labong is the leader of this village. Even though he tried every means, there is no way to solve this problem. This thing that he and the village were very upset. At this moment, a medicine man were appeared. Long, long ago in a village, the village have been a long, long time with no rain, and ground are dry. The well drew up, and there is no heaven for a long time. The village life hardship, and the Labong is the leader of the village. Even though he tried every means, there is no way to solve this problem, and this thing that he and the village staff were very upset.
At this moment, a prophetess management will appear. This village there is a monster that enough to please it. It will bring rain, give this priest to carry forward with the monster are led to sacrifice. The sacrifice is a girl. The girl with long hair, beautiful eyes. She is not a normally villager. She has a special stage. The villager remember that Labong girl Oganda, because the medicine man said that the characteristic can be found by Oganda. She has a beautiful face, but also the shepherd's daughter is not a normally civilian. So the villager agreed that should Oganda as a contribution to the monster sacrifice is the most suitable.
Oh? Though Labong knows these things, the mood is very complex, heavy, and he was very sad. He thinks that why sacrifice is his daughter, although he is the leader. But they cannot favoritism in his daughter. Believe that the medicine man predicted the existence of the monster. Even Labong was very reluctant to his daughter on a living sacrifice, but he needs had to let Oganda to go.
Doctor, I really cater to you, but you for the village, I hope you can understand about that. Father, I understand that in order to the village, I will not escape. Father, oh. Doctor, I am really cater to you, but for the village, I hope you can understand about that.
Father, I understand that in order to the village, I will not escape, Father.
Okay.
Oganda knows she was going to become a sacrifice to leave her family home, leaving her family to leave her lover, even though she is very reluctant, but also helpfulness, because she is the daughter of the leader. She can't disregard the father's feelings. She accepts the fantasy of the whole village. She had to endure in silence or own sacrifice to bring rain to the village, to bring hope to the village.
Osina, my dear, maybe later I will not to be able to see you again, but I will make the rain to village.
Oh, Oganda, I do not believe what the prophecy from the medicine man. I do not believe that you as a sacrifice is the only way to bring the rain to get the rain. I want you to leave me.
I'm sorry. I cannot be so selfish. You forgot me.
No.
Oh, is Oganda's lover. He never believed what medicine men talk. He thinks that is very exciting. He wants to save Oganda, but no one believes him. The whole village thinks that they need to sacrifice Oganda. Everything will be solved, so Osinda plans to save her quietly. Until the sacrifice day, the weather very hot also. Oganda goes slowly and she feels very sad. She put the souvenir on her voice and her waist. She doesn't know want to give up. She walked to the side of the lake and she felt upset. When she jumped into lake, she is the empty. This moment, Osinda appeared. He made the whole village shocked that he saved her. Suddenly, it began to rain. Everyone understands that their behavior because of superstition.